towel boy.
Tawag po lang ang game natin ngayong gabi ngayong Sunday night. Ballers versus Nathan. Here, madam siya. Ay, wala na akong bedroom boys. Hindi ko kaya. Bedroom. Sabi ko ba ba? Sorry, okay, first ride na. Asa na? Pasok, first ride. Dito tayo mga boss. Uy! Kuya. Andon, meeting? Hindi mo, magulong sila. Akin po tayo, players. Second game. Rising Eagles. Point. Okay, players. Necklace, sikaw, quintas, bracelet, pakitanggal na lang kung meron. Hindi na tayo, boss. We're good at the table. The referees are good. Players are all set. Uy, food trip. Walang pa. Nakuha na ang bola pero hindi nakapag-layout. Claren, this is number 2, Delgado. 14 to shoot. De La Peña. No. Blocked by Salaga. 14 to shoot, boss. Delgado for 2, no. Salazar with that rebound. Bigay kay Flores, guarded by 2. 1, 2 step, layup is no. Tinuloy lang, number 4 with the block, no. Rebound ni Barroso, using the glass, that is good for 2. Ulit, magandang gabi po sa ating mga mananood. Punta na po kayong pasar, gusto nyo pagkain. Pero tinilibre. Isko, ang lakas ng pasa. Score natin, 2-0. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Loren slices in, finds Barroso on the left side. Barroso scores 4 points. Under 2 minutes, 4 points or less. Pilat. Another miss goal. Bola ng bowlers. Barroso to Flores. 20-14. Flores crosses. Steal by Quintas. Number 10, layup is good. Barroso. Yeah, Louis, that was, 3 points ba yan? 3 points, Louis! Foul on Barroso, 22. First personal foul, first team foul. Barroso. 7 points. 3 minutes. De La Peña. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. Long 3. Stretches. Salazar with the rebound. To number 4. Finds Flores. Flores was able to get through. Flores spins. Salazar with the first back. Good for 2. 9-2 ang ating score. Bowlers. Lamang na. Ito. Nakakita. Long three na naman. Tumawa lang sa board. Number 4 with the rebound. Flores. Flores na mamadali. Flores pa rin. Barroso on the right side. Salazar na lang po back. Foul. We have a foul. Number 77. first personal foul, first free foul, 77. Arroto. 11 points, under 3 minutes. Wow. Ready, jumpers. Salazar. Second shot, number 1. Ray with the rebound. 2 points. Shout out sa Vision Circle. Nakalay po tayo ngayon sa YouTube. 14 to shoot. De La Pena. Grabe, violation ka dyan, bossing. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Follow nyo lang, subscribe lang kayo sa YouTube channel ni Gende. Pwede lang, Rocket. Flores, Rocket. Fast break. Yes. Able to recover the ball. Salazar with that defense. Foul at number 1. First personal foul, team foul. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 12 leads the rim. Second shot, in and out. Flores, bring it down the roll, 11-3. Barroso, take the range, being guarded by the big man of Lisa. Stolen, no, Flores with that lead. Salazar. 5 minutes. Palit players, Yuman. Change 5 po tayo. Pasok ang papasok, labas ang lalabas. Kapag may lumabas, may papasok. Oh, high blood. High blood. Pwesa tayo, Nisan. Alam niyo kung anong players yan. Barroso mo 3 points! 10 points na si Barroso sa first quarter. Ang smiling plays ng Nisan, Badillo. Checks in. Badillo. Fakes. Goes in the middle. Throughout the violation. Same foot landing. Score na 43, 4 minutes and 38 seconds left. Nisan, nakuha ang bola. Badillo, pinasa ang kampe. Barroso, with a foul. Almost made it. Foul on number 22. Second personal foul, third foul. 43. First shot, set. Second shot. Oh, masok na boss. Okay. Okay, Dave, gives it up to Barroso. At naka 10 points na ngayong game. Moses with the rebound. Roque sa ilalim. Foul on number 26. No, 96. What? First personal foul, second team foul. Nice. Grabe na number yan. Number 4, Richard. Hi baby, kamusta ka na? May tayo dyan, lover boy ni Randy Boy. Nakuha din isa ng bola. Number 8, being guarded by Barroso. Harassed by Barroso. Badillo. Cross. Bowler to the ball. Nakita niya rin, tumama na sa linya, umilaw ba? Number 8, guarded by number 8, Robin. This is a good matchup. Badillo, intercepted by Barroso. 5 seconds to shoot. Okay, 5 seconds to shoot, man. Peralta. Buzzer nila po yan. Was able to let go of the ball just at the nick of time. Roque. He took the shot from the three-point line. He can't miss. That is Marco. Turnover. Barroso moves that steal. De Los Santos guarded by number 3, Badillo. 2 points. 5 points agad ang na-convert ng bowlers. 2 minutes and 54 seconds left sa ating first quarter. Peralta, long three, short. Bowlers po tayo. Bowlers po tayo. Two minutes and 30 seconds. Score, 20-14. Roque, libre, kailan side, up and strong. Yes, rebound, offensive rebound, number 4. Floater, point, number 4. $22-4 on the score. Number 8 goes to, intercepted by Barroso. Nakuha ni number 4 ang bola. Roque with the fast break. Easy 2 points para kay Roque. 2 minutes remaining sa ating first quarter. Peralta to Badillo. To number 8. 14 to shoot. And to shoot. Peralta with the ball right now. Guarded by Roque. Guarded by 2. Pinasa kay Badillo. 5 to shoot. 3 points is no good. Roque with the rebound. Taking control of the game. Now having 5 points already. De Los Santos being guarded. Barroso. 40 points, no good. Rebound number 4. Roque, 10 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. One minute and 8 seconds sa ating oras. 20 ang kalamangan ng ating bowlers. Punting na. Yes. No. Good. Natapit ko sabi niya. 10 to shoot. Badillo takes the long shot. Offensive rebound. Bigay kay Peralta. Peralta number 3. Off the mark. Badillo on 2. Foul on De Los Santos. Basket count. First personal foul. Warning or penalty. (24-6). Remaining time 4 minutes, 14.9 seconds, sorry. 14 seconds left sa ating first quarter. 24-7 ang ating score. Bowlers dominating the first game. The first quarter. Barroso libre. Saturel, deep bucket. Short. Roque with the rebound. Kinigay kay number 22. 2 points of strong. Number 4 with the putback. Roque. 16.5 seconds left. Shot clock is dead. And seconds left. 5 seconds left. Foul tayo. Foul on number 21. First personal foul. Penalty. First shot is good. 3.7 seconds. Pasok na lang po yan mga bossing. corner. Ang score natin ay 24-8 in favor of Team Borders. Muli sa ating mga manonood, kung naghahanap po kayo ng masarap na kape, masarap na matcha, punta na po kayo. Punta na po kayo sa Midnight Cafe sa ating bazaar. Libre BP dito sa community stable. Pag may high blood, punta lang dito sa bola? No. Official ball po natin. No. I'm sorry, but that's a no. Yes. Siyempre naman. Back to the ball. Hindi na po natin pwedeng palitan ng bola. This is our official ball right now. This is bought by our commissioner. Huy, boss! Official ball po tayo. May official ball po tayo, mga boys. Kasama po yan sa budget natin. Binili po natin yan bagong-bago. That's a no for me po. 7 quarter na tayo mga bossing. 24-8. Pinaling pa. Nakuha niyo yung bola. Masarap. De La Peña. Take. Guarded by Roque. Pinasa kay number 10. Number yung good. Lawrence nagkaroon ng mapasahan. Lawrence, inside take it. Ray for two. Salazar with the rebound. Salazar? No. Ray. Foul. Foul on 7. That's it? First personal foul, first team foul. Flores, Pinata, kay Kuya Mo. Kuya Mo, nagkaroon mamusahan. 5 to shoot. Roque, floater. A bit short. Moses with the rebound. Nakuha ni Salazar. 10 to shoot. Bola, nakuha ni Salazar. Flores with that screen. No, Salazar again with the rebound. Using the glass in and out. Wait, 12, umikot. Foul on number 0-0. First personal foul sa Benita. Fourteen to shoot. Come on! Roque! Nakuha sila pa niya rebound. Nagkaroon pa pa sa pinasahan ni number 12. Delgado! Cross. Against two. Easy layup. Lefty. Score natin ay 24-12. Dusi. Roque. Slices through. Bigay kay Ray. Ray jumper. No. Rebound ni Delgado. Delgado being guarded by number 21, Mo. Spin. Nakuha ni Roque ang rebound. Roque sa Flores. Flores being guarded by Mo. Misses. Foul on number 1 second. Second personal foul. First team foul. 7 minutes and 38 seconds starting second quarter. De La Peña. Hey, guarded by Rain. De La Peña to number 77. 77 long three. No. Rebound number 21. 21 to Roque. 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 Roque na. For team to shoot. Flores. And 5 to shoot. Moses. Short. Foul on number 1, third personal foul. Second rebound. Number 8 bringing down the ball right now. There's a 3. Rebound ni Moses. Nagmamadali. Roque. Roque, pinasa ka number 14. Using the last Lauren point. 26-12. Mendoza, number 77. Nakita ko din. De La Peña. Fake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gravity violation. Rain to Lauren 14. Traveling violation tayo mo. Same foot landing. Hindi na pwede yan. La Peña. Remaining time 5 minutes and 15 seconds. To Mendoza. Delgado pala to. Ooh, what a nice cross handle. Good. In and out. In. Leaves the rim. Mendoza. To Moses. Green. Pinasa sa kalaban. 2 points. Number 12. Ready for change 5 na po tayo. Lauren. Pinasa kay Rain. Different. There's a jumper. Rebound niya. Siyan niya. Rebound niya. Nakuha nito. Ang bola. Nakuha na nito ng bola. Tingnan ng bola. Pinasa kay number 12. Umikot siya. Paula number 12. First personal foul. 30 foul. Change by po tayo. Pasang 5, laban ng 5. Shoutout po. Shoutout sa owner ng Midnight Cafe. Kung gusto nyo na masarap na kape, bilhin na kayo kay Gaya. Punta kayong bazar. Makikita nyo kagad siya. Kasi siya ay isang big boy. He's a big boy. Rocket now bringing down the ball for the border to Barroso. De Los Santos, foul! Foul to number 8. Second personal foul, warning for penalty, extra shot para kay 41 De Los Santos. De Los Santos extra. He's got his A game tonight. Number 8. 14 to shoot. Basilio. Ang idol ko sa inside. Basilio! Go! Nakakuha ni number 4 ang rebound. Nakagaw na Nisan. Yes, Basilio made that pass! Behind his ear. Tapos sayang. Number 4 nag-foul ulit. Sa gitna naman, intercepted. Loses the ball. Nakuha ni Barroso ang bola. Basilio. Tuperata. Ang two-man team ng ating Nisan. That connection is paying off on this game. Barroso, paning teammates. Intercepted by number 10. Boom! Wasak ang bumper. Tayo na konti yan. Patensya na lang. 14 seconds to shoot. Roque. to Kuya Mo. Sa ilalim, finding Barroso. Gives it up to Roque. Ang 3-point specialist ng bowlers. De Los Santos, almost. Number 10. Good. Masyado malakas ang bata. Sayang, hindi natamaan yung vlog.
Thank you po.
Ano nakasulat? Hindi ko mabasa. Traveling violation po tayo. Score natin ay 31-19. Roque being guarded by 2. Harassed by 2. Loses the ball. De Los Santos with a ring cover. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Roque. Roque for 3. No! Number 10 with a rebound. Number 4, Peralta. Finding his teammates. Will he find Batilio? He hesitates. Takes a jumper from the 40-footer. No. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Gives it up to Roque. It's no enough pass by Barroso. Roque. Say, last team on the 3 points. Libre si number 10. Napita ng layup. Kinuha niya yung rebound using the glass. Barroso to Roque. Roque finding his rhythm. Barroso with that jumper. No. Barroso to Roque. Libre. Rebound in De Los Santos. De Los Santos using the glass. No. Hit by number 8. 14 to shoot. Remaining time 1 minute and 8 seconds. To De Los Santos. Traveling violation. Remaining time 55 seconds, 20 seconds to shoot. Number 8, trying to dribble the ball. Gives it up to number 10, cross-court pass para kay Peralta. Peralta fighting his teammates, being guarded by 8. Badillo, 5 to shoot. Another fancy pass para kay Badillo. Number 10, jumper. Off the mark, short. Yun, diretso na sa bazar. Eti muna. Takutan. Barroso. 14 to shoot. What a nice play. Rebound ni De Los Santos. Umikot. Foul. Foul on number 8. Third personal foul. Penalty. Remaining time 15.8 seconds. Shot clock is dead. Second quarter po tayo mga kaibigan. 31-21. 10 ang kalabangan. Thank you. Math major ako ng college. Sinikot, sinabit. Boom! Bola sa kabila. 13.3 seconds. Nako ni Barroso! Naskin niya! Nag-aas pa masahan! Binigay kay Roque. Roque, guarded by Badillo. Okay boss, 5 seconds na lang yan. Basag na lang yan ha. Basag na lang yan. Score natin ay 33-21. Ballers dominating this game on the first half. Okay kids, nasa lang ba kids? Half court shot ulit, please. Half court shot. Game. Mga kids, 100. Kahit sino, pwede. Half court. Low step, half court. Uy, low step yun. Half court yan. 1-8 yan. Or stepping. Half court nga. Give chance naman, uy! Okay, step in. Kita ko yung pa mo. Dada. Uy! Natabahan yung bata. Togo. Ayun! Wala na. Ayaw yung half court. Ayaw yung 100. Kayo, Kurt. Ayaw yung 100. 100 yan, no? Uy, malakas sa half court. Oh, 2 na yan. 200 na yan. 200 na half court. 10. Ay, pati full court. Oh, full court dapat. At least 5 points. Back to the ball game from ating second game, third quarter. Kuya, pakuha ng bola, kuya. Kuya na laglag. Ano masasabi mo sa ating second game? Nangiyain na katabi ko dito. Lahat, dito pwede sa ano, sa vlog. Asan na yung vlog ni Kuya Jet? Wala. Ayun. Nandun pala yung camera. Good evening, Tito Batsky! Shout out, Tito Bats! Badillo, fast break. Masyado malakas ang mga pasalit. Sorry kung may natamaan bata. Hindi ko kasalanan yung mga players dito dyan. Patanong ng ball. Barroso! Barroso with the floater. Salazar, no! Yeah, yes. I like it. Guarded by Flores. Nakuha ni Peralta. Tumatillo. Ang two-man team ng ating Nissan. Mura na sa play. Mababa. Loren. Loren de Mayo. Manning his teammates. Gives it up to the Santos. 10-2. Ray. Foul. Foul on number 8. 0-8. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 8. Ray on the free throw line. First shot is Moses. Ray. Pangalawang tira, pumasok. 34-23. Si Ivan. To Peralta. Binwari by Barroso. Badillo. The number. Hindi na mabasa yung number. Intercepted. Barroso. Fast break kay Floren. Nakita niya si Floren. Libre. Sa inang lalim. Floren for 2. Peralta to number 8 sa ilalim. Plays it up. Reverse. Napapagwalakbak si Mark sa'yo, idol. Respect. Raid to Floren. 36-25. Put back. Rebound ni Peralta. Body na nagmamadali. Pinasa ka. Kapila pa tinukot. Nakakuha ni Floren ang bola. 7 minutes and 15 seconds left. To Barroso to fly. 14 to shoot. Barroso for 3. Nothing but the net. Kitang-kita sa camera. Pang-island post. Nag-points na si Barroso. Parang kung 15 points na ito Parang sa court na
50 lang.
Galing.
10 points lang. 10 points lang. Sobra sa 50. 10 points.
Badillo. Offensive rebound. Badillo for 3. That flick. Nakuha ni Floren ang rebound. Floren with the rebound. Pinasa kay Santos ang big man. Foul on number 0-8. Second personal foul. Second rebound. Shoutout sa dalawang tropa na nanonood. Kendon Ben, Sam Jared. Kaway mo na kayo. bigla-bigla na nawawala, sabi niya. Kaya kayo pumupunta. Oras po natin 7 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay,
Wala mo na,
nice pass. Badillo, nice pass. Number 12 nakakuha ng score. 37-40. 10 shoot.
Klase ko yun.
Wait, jumper is moving. They are trying to steal the game. Binigay kay number 23. Number 23 to Peralta. Peralta against Barroso. Cross. 8 to shoot. Badillo, my idol! No! Oh my G! Barroso to Florent. Florent guarded by 3. Delivery for his teammates. He is waiting. Barroso to Ray. Delivery sa Ray. Dumaan sa gitna. 2 points. Ray. Kung kayo mga Ray na easy up ang baseball. Sa stall na kuya Ray. Tingin na ba sa 3 points. Number 12, no. Ray with the rebound. Grabe. Offense goal. Advance time out po tayo. Off. Ray is doing it para sa bowlers. Salazar, former MVP. Ray with the rebound. Put up is no good. 2 points Salazar. Go! Badillo. Libre si number 8. Foul on Florent. Number 14. Unsportsmanlike foul para kay number 14. Unsportsmanlike po yan. 3 minutes rest muna tayo guys. Pumasok, basket count, extra shot po tayo. 3 minutes. Substitution. Timeout, Nissan. Okay, half-court shot. Nasaan yung mga kids? Half-court shot, 200 yan. 200. Half-court shot, 200. Papi! Ay, rebound yung mga boto! Oh, 200. Game, G. Oh, stepping, kita. Toto mo! Lisan nyo, malapit na matapos yung timeout. Stepping. Kung si JB tumiro nun sa half-court, 200 yan, basic. Game na! Game na tayo guys! 5 minutes, 19 seconds. Score natin, 42-29. Peralta, 3-pointer ng Nissan. Still cold on this game. Traveling violation. Coming for 3, too strong. Number 12 spins, goes through the defense, using the glass direction for 3. Barroso again. And to shoot, Barroso. Float up on the three. Now one number 4 rebound. Number 4, no. Badillo. Fast break to number 8. 1-2, using the pass short. Good, nice defense. Good, nice defense. 3 seconds violation. Nice defense para sa ating team ballers. Advanced substitution. Floater. Barroso is no good. Nahuli ng mga bola. Gives it up to Roque. Roque. For 3 points. Roque. Number 8. Wala na. Kita na sa highlights yun. Clip na yan, guys. Chat. Paklit na lang, chat. W on the chat, please. W on the chat. Karada. Goes through. Nice pass. Good defense. Substitution. 10 shot clock po tayo, boss. 10 shot clock. Pasok, pasok po. Pasok. And to shoot. Sa gitna. Nice defense. Nagmamadali si Roque. A bit strong on the pass. Barroso. 1-2 floaters. Wala, basis na yan. Ganyan na yan. Pag kinangat na, pasok na yan. Stolen by Barroso. Grabe naman yun. Stat padding, boss. Points nun? 20 points na, Barroso. Gunning for best player of this game. It's number 22, Barroso. Badillo. My idol. Nice pass sa ilalim. Score now is 49-33. Roque. 14 to shoot. Roque for 3. Off the mark. Pass break. Binigay kay number 12. 2 points, number 12. $35-49. Remaining time 1 minute and 15 seconds. 14 to shoot. And to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 12. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Nice one daw, kuya mo. Substitution. Pasok po. Pinapakiusapan po ang ating mga players na lumapit sa ating comment table kung magpapasab, kung pagka-time out. May tubig tayo dito. It's just a reminder for the players. Pumasok, Purple. Nice one. Dalawa ang pumasok. Badillo, may idol! Sa gitna! Wala. Idol kayo, boss. Sorry. Same ball, 15 to shoot. To number 8. Binigay kay Badillo. Badillo got it by Flores. 10 to shoot. Peralta! Strong. 5 to shoot. Fade away is good para kay number 12. Arrioso to Flores. 14 to shoot. Umikot na mo ni number 4 bola. Tips it in, goes to Santos. Using his height, using his height. 2 points. Ayo, G. Yes, G. Yes, a free man from G. Kahit ko lang. Barroso nagpapadali. Got it by 2. 2 points. Grabe, 22 points. Running, 22 points, player of the game, Barrono. 30 seconds left. 14 to shoot. And to shoot, Nissan. Merada. 5 to shoot. Short. 10 seconds left sa ating oras. Buzzer na lang yan mga bossing. Kayo na bahala. Stolen. 3.8 seconds. Seconds left. Shot clock is dead. 3.8 seconds. Ubus ng oras. 3.8. Pasal na lang yun, ha? Nag-counted? Hindi sila kasama. Hindi sila kasama. Players yun eh. Ang palaro ko dito, mga bata. 57-37. Upward. Uy, may matamang bata. Ang naglalaro sa playground ko. Ayusin nyo. Sige boss, ko lang. Ayos na tira naman. Pero Ronald, half-court shot. Dali. Ito, ganda na naman. Pag may nakashot sa half-court, may bola na may 200 pa. Oh. Ayaw niya, ha? Ayaw mo? Ah! No! Fourth quarter na! Masyak na lang sa GC. 37-57 ang ating score. 25 ba nila ba? 3 points, number 12, Delgado. Loren now with the ball. Finding his teammates. Starts in the middle. Gives it up to Roque. Kitang-kita sa video. Nagpapalakas. Ray with the rebound. Ray with the back. Yes, the rebound again. Reverse rebound. Nakuha nino. Nisan, Delgado, nagmamali. One step. Layup is good. May points agad. Kakapasok ka ng fourth quarter. 42-57. Score. Flores, beginning number 4. He's going by 2. Gives it up to Flores. Flores. 5 to shoot. Flores. Pass and count. Foul number 8. Third personal foul. First foul. Salazar with the rebound, binigay niya kay Rain. Rain sa gitna, Rain ha. Harang by 2, nakuha ni Flores ng bola. Itinigin na. Padillo, may idol. Tumira ng 3. Sasama ko lahat. Flores. Flores. Layup. Go. Rain. Nakuha, number 9 ng bola. ASM back muna kayo. Ala, 3 points Delgado. Nakuha ni number 1 ng bola. Martin to shoot. Roque sa ilalim. Pass number 4. Even with his back behind the rings, he makes it. Number 4. Padillo takes another 3. Ayaw talaga. Number 4, number 12. 3 points. Score knowledge 45-61. Still ballers on this game. And violation. Second. Bali pa. Ayun, yun naman yung number 12. Hindi pa nakakatrap yan. Grabe ng violation. Bro, kailangan na po. Minasa kay number 4. Number 4 number 4 po eh. Sira. Nagdala, sira. Dapat doon. Nag-dribble, garden by 14. Traveling na naman. Nag-time out na, Team Nissan. Ayos, lumahay sa tira. Lumahay sa tira. Uy, may player lang. Ayan na, bola. Libre ba na bola? Romy na libre sa 3. Sana, rebound ni Ray. Kinakano ko yung gabi ay nagkaon ka na lang. Padillo may hawak ng bola, pinapatay ni Barroso. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds na lang. Nice defense. Symbol tayo. 4 seconds na lang natira. Sa gitna, Padillo. Yun, pumasok din na 2 points si Padillo. Barroso may hawak ng bola. And to shoot. Lock. 5 seconds to shoot. Oh, 5 seconds na lang yan, ha? Okay. Floater. 2 points. 14. Hindi, dahil may ako ng bola na first time. Finger by Roque, pinasa kay Perada. Perada na natira ng 3! Talaming Barroso, bring down the ball right now. Higit naman tayo na. Run. Barroso for 3. No. Continue with the rebound. Fast break kay number 8. No, number 10 sa ilalim. Sakong-sakto. Oh yeah. I'm just speaking English right now. Rocket brings down the ball, being blocked by number 10. Rocket, gives it up to 14 to shoot. Rocket. 3 points, Rocket. Put that on the list. Another fast break sa ating Nissan. What a nice defense. Bola. Rocket. Rocket to range. 14 to shoot, Rocket. And seconds to shoot.
Ay, sayang.
Padillo with the rebound. Fast break again. Team Nissan. Out of bounds. time, 3 minutes and 17 seconds.
Sayang.
Peralta with the rebound. Fast break again with number 10. Another block by Barroso. Stat padding Barroso on this game. I think that's 5 blocks already. 25 points. I guess. Game boy. Time out. Lisa. 49-68. Ayos ah. 2 minutes, 55. Last quarter na pala tayo. Ready na po tayo sa last game. Boys versus Rising Goals. Naumulan. Wala. Walang between. Umuulan. Meron. Film mo ngayong gabi ha. Dala na bowler.
Tandaan lang ni.
Flores pointing the main man of bowlers tonight, which is Barroso. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rain, jumper.
Yun! Sawa ka yan!
2 minutes and 35 seconds. Tinalsakan pa eh. Traveling violation. Flores now 14 to shoot to De Los Santos, 10 to shoot. Barroso hesitates. Nag-hesitate. Screen, 5 to shoot. Flores good. Score natin 49-72. Oras 2, 1 minute and 45 seconds left. Pair round number 3. He has been off on this game tonight. 2 points para kay number 23. Remaining time, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yung pinupin, nareklano yan. And, kumano? 5 to shoot. Hindi alam si Barroso. Kanina pa nakakascore yan. Nakulit naman kanina yung bola. Cross play to Peralta. Peralta, 35 points. Layup, 2 points. Last 1 minute. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot, Barroso. 5 to shoot. 3 points loaded. 41 seconds left. Peralta using the last 2 points. 37 seconds left. Closing time. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Salazar to Flores. 3 points. Another 3 from Flores. Fast break ulit. Pinigay na. 10 seconds left sa ating oras. Barroso. And that is the end of our second game. Nissan versus Ballers. Ballers stage to win tonight. Wala. Score po natin ay 78-55. And we are now calling the attention of our best player. Catherine, 21 points. 8 boards, 6 assists, 3 steals. Wearing jersey number 22, Barroso, ikaw ang best player ng ating lamang.